Hello students, today we will start with equivalent decimals. There are two decimals 0.5 and 0.50. 0.5 means 5 by 10. That is, we have selected 5 parts out of 10. These are 10 parts and we have selected only 5. Okay. And in 0.50 means 50 upon 100. That is, we have selected 50 parts out of 100. 50 parts out of 100. Now you can see from the figure both are same, 0.5 and 0.50. Okay, so if there is a number, suppose 0.5, and we put 0 after the number here, decimal digit, then 0, then that 0 has no value. Okay, if we write 0.5000, that is equals to 0.5. These are called equivalent decimals. Okay, 0.5 is equals to 0.50 is equals to 0.500. Okay, after decimal, if zeros are there and after 0 no digit other than 0 is there, then no value of this 0 exists. Okay, so it is equal to 0.5. This is called equivalent equivalent decimal. Now like and unlike decimal. What are like and unlike decimals? Suppose we have numbers 0.7, 0.8, 1.1, 25.6. All these numbers have one digit after decimal. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, all digits have same number after digit, only one place after decimal, here. Okay, in second group 0.21, 6.56, 200.48, 18.18. in these numbers after decimal there are two digits, two decimal places. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, these type of decimals are called like decimals. Okay, if the decimal digits after decimals, if the places after decimals are same. Okay, one place, if there is only one place decimal, then everyone has to be one place for like decimals. In third group 0.321, 1.569 and 2.359, 9.415. All of them have three decimal places, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So these four numbers, decimal numbers, are like decimals. These four are like decimals and these four are like decimals. And what are unlike decimals? If the decimal places are different. Okay, suppose 0.7, 0.21 and 1.569. Here the decimal place is only 1, here 2, here 3. So these are unlike decimals. Okay, now how to convert the unlike decimal into decimal, we will learn in exercise this. Okay, now first exercise 5.4, A part. Which of these are equivalent decimals? Which of these are equivalent decimal? First 0.6, 0.06. Now compare the digits. Here the ones place same and 10th place is 6 and here 10th place is 0. So they are not equivalent. Okay. Second 5.63, 5.630. Now except this 0, all digits are same. Now we have learned about the equivalent decimal. If we put 0 after the digits in decimal places, that 0 doesn't have any value. Means if we put 0 after 3, it will becomes 5.630, and which is equal to this one. Okay, so they are equivalent decimal. These are equivalent decimal. In this 10.01, 10.001, here the 100th place is 1 and here 0, so they are not equivalent. Here 14.14, 14.140. If we put 0 after 4, okay, in first number, if we put 0 after 4, it will become equal, so they are equivalent. Here 25.1 and 25.100. If we put 20 after this 25.100, then it will become 20. These two numbers will become equal. Okay, we can put 0 after the decimal digits and they will become equal. Okay, we can put 2, 3, 4 or any number of zeros. Okay, so they are equivalent. Which of the following are like decimals? Like decimals. Here after decimal, 2 decimal places. Okay, here decimal places are 2, so they are like decimals. Here 1, 2, 3, after decimal 3 digits are there. Here also after decimal 3 digits are there, so they are like decimals. In third 6.56, 56.6, after decimal 2 digits are there and there is only 1 digit, so they are not like decimal. Here also only 1 digit is there and there is 2 digits, so they are not like decimals. They are also not like decimals. You have to do this exercise in your notebook and you have to write, just suppose question number this: these are like decimal, these are like decimal, these are not like decimals. Just one line answers. Okay, same in first part. C part: which of the following are unlike decimals? The decimals which are not like are unlike. So 15.31, 1.36, after decimal 2 digits are there and there is also 2 digits, so they are like decimals, so they are not unlike. We have to write the unlike decimals. Okay, you can do with yourself. Change into like decimals. Now we have to change these decimals into like decimals. Okay, now how we will do it? To change into like decimal, first number is 56.8 and second is 7.11. So after decimal there is only 1 digit and there is 2 digits. So we have to put 2 digits in first decimal number. So what we will do? 56.80. We will put a 0 and 7.11 remain as it is. So they are become like decimals. Here 1, 2, 3, after decimal 3 digits and after decimal only 2 digits. So we have to put a 0 in second number. 54.320. No need to check the numbers before decimals. Okay, just after decimals. 3.8, 81.92, 43.324. 3 maximum digits are after decimal 3. Okay, so we have to put 3 digits in every decimal number. After decimal 3.800, 81.920, 43.324. Okay, now do the other remaining parts. Now exercise 5.5, fill in the blanks. We have to compare the decimal numbers. Okay, first 0.39 and 0.93. First compare the numbers before decimal. Before decimal 00, both are same. Now check the digit after the decimal. First digit after the decimal means 10th place digit. Here 3 and here is 9. Which one is greater? 9. So we will mark 0.93 greater. Okay, now second 9.78 and 9.48. Once place digit are same. Now after decimal, first tenth place is 7 and 10th place is 4. Which one is greater? 7. So we will mark 9.78 as greater number. Third, 11.32, 11.3. Okay. Before decimal, both digits are same. After decimal, there is 3 and there is also 3. Both are same. Now of the second digit after decimal, 2, and here no digit is given. If no digit is there, you can assume a 0 there. Okay, you can assume a 0 there. Now compare 2 and 0. Which one is greater? 2. Okay. In 10th, 58.23 and 58.230. Both numbers are equal because they are equivalent decimals. If we put 0 after 2, 3, they will become equal. So they are equivalent decimals, equal. Okay. In 11, 99.009, 99.09. Second digit after decimal is 0 and second digit after decimal is 9. So which one is greater? This one. Okay. Now you can do all parts of this exercise. B part, arrange in ascending order. Okay. Arrange in ascending order. Exercise 5.5 ka B. First question. 0.72, 0.68, 0.504, 1.02. First we have to convert these numbers into like decimals. Okay. Now check the maximum number of digits after decimal. In which number maximum number of digits are? This one. 1, 2, 3. After decimal, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So we have to put 3 digit after decimal in every other numbers. In first number 0.720. So there are, it will become 3 digits. 0.68, 0.680. This number remains as it is, and this one 1.02, 1.020. Now we can arrange them in ascending order. Now first check the smallest number among these. First check the ones place digit. Here 0, 0, 0, and this is 1. Means this is the greatest number, so we will skip this. Now check among these 3 which is smaller. Now decimal, after decimal, first digit is 7, here 6 is, and here is 5. So which one is smaller? This one. So we will put 0.504 first, the smallest number. Then after 5, 6, this digit is greater, so we will put 0.680, then 0.720, then the last number. Now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now we will write the original numbers. Okay, what are original numbers? Means we will not write this 0 which we use to make the like decimals. 0.504, 0.68, 0.72 and 1.02. Okay. Same in question number 4. 5 numbers are given. First we will make them in like decimals. Maximum number of digits after decimal is 3. So we will put 3 digits in every decimal number after decimal. 0.932, 2.930 and all. Now which is the smallest number? In these two numbers, 2.930 and 9.380, one's digits are 2 and 9, and in other one's digits are 0. So these two numbers must be greater among the 3. Again, okay, these two numbers must be greater, and these 3 numbers must be smaller than these two. Now first compare these 3 numbers, 0.932, 0.342 and 0.839. After decimal, first digit is 9, 3 and 8. Okay, which one is smaller? 3. so we will put 0.342. Then this one 8, 0.839. Now 0.932. Then this one, because one's digit is 2 and one's digit is 9, so 2 is smaller, so 2.930 and 9.380. Now write the original numbers after removing the extra zeros which we use to make the like decimals. Okay, you have to do the first 4 part of this exercise is this question, and first 4 parts of descending order. You can do with yourself descending order because these 2 questions are same. The difference is only arrangement. In descending order, you have to arrange them in decreasing order. First the greatest number, then smaller, and the last is smaller one. Okay, now exercise 5.6. Add. To add the decimal numbers, just remember 3.5 and 5.6. First write 3.5 and put the decimal of second number just in same column. Okay, this decimal should be in same column, okay, in same line, horizontal line. Now put 5 here and 3 before decimal, and like this 3.5. now put decimal. Now after decimal 6 and before decimal 5. Okay, now start addition of adding these numbers. 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9.1. in second 0.345, 0.794. okay, decimal should be in same column. Now all digits are in same column. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, 1 carry, 7 and 3 10 or 1 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 1.139. okay, same question number 7. okay, here's one's digits are 5 6 7 and others are 6.06, 505, 404. okay, you can add them. Now B part. In B part the numbers are not in A part. The addition, all the numbers which we are adding are like decimals, but in B part the numbers are not like. So first we will make them like decimal. okay, the maximum number of digits after decimal is 3, so we will put extra zeros to make them like decimals. 3 7 2 digits, so we will put 1 0 to make a 3 digit after decimal. Here also 0.30 and 870. Now add. How we will write? First write 48.370. okay, now put decimal first. okay, I can show you 48.370. okay, now put a decimal here. Now second number is 94. Before decimal 4, then 9. okay, after decimal 0 3 0. Then put decimal. Before decimal 4. okay, we have to write 4 in this column, not this. okay, now 3 9 2. Fourth one, first put decimal, then before decimal 9, then 5, then 4 and 870. okay, you have to write like this. Now you can add them. Same in question number 5. First make them like decimals, then write like this and add. In first part you have to do first 7 parts of this question. okay, first 7. And in B part you have to do only the odd ones, means 5 part, 1 3 5 7 9. okay, no need to do this question. You can do for your practice but not in notebook. okay, Thank you.